So anybody watch carifta game the other day and realize that out of the 120 medal, Jamaica alone take 43 of the medal? But that's not what I come out. I come out the person from Barbados that said that Jamaican should not allow to compete in the carifta game because of our population. Let's get one thing straight. Jamaica population is roughly 2.8 million people. The population of the Caribbean is 40 million people. Haiti is in the game. Haiti have 12 million people. I don't hear say nothing about Haiti. I think a one medal Haiti get. It's not the country population that do it. It's the work that the athletes put in, and the Jamaican athletes put in the work. Apart from that, I've run into a lot of Caribbean people here in Kingston on a weekly basis. Trinidad people big up on yourself, Guyanese big up on yourself, St. Lucia, Turks and Caicos, and Dominica Republic. Those are the nicest set of Caribbean people I've come across. I don't know about anybody else, but those are the nicest set of Caribbean people I personally come across. Barbados people, we always have this negative vibes about them, this negative spirit, and try to look down on other people. But I wasn't gonna say anything until I see another comment from someone else from Barbados talking about Jamaica is so poor, the people them have to eat chicken when wash up on beach where them don't know where it come from, and comparing your guys' GDP to Jamaica GDP. I know a lot of you have never been to Jamaica, so you have no idea what Jamaica is like. Is there a hell shower with that container washed up? Poor people don't live a hell shower. If you don't have money, you can't buy land or build a house over there. So you see the type of vehicle them where the people them drive go pick up the frozen chicken. Who don't have them vehicle there Barbados? A basic car them wanna have a Barbados. Luxury vehicle na there Barbados. Me can tell you that. When you go talk about GDP now, Jamaica debt to GDP is 68%. Barbados debt to GDP is 101% as of 2025. As much as a lot of us don't like Andrew Ones, me see the Jamaican government buy 70 new bus the other day and never have to borrow no loan. Right now, if Barbados government want 2 new bus, them have to borrow a loan to buy that. Barbados is a broke motherfucker. Stop comparing GDP. Next time you go in the supermarket at Barbados and take up a 500 ml of Pepsi, go up on your phone, do the conversion to Jamaican dollar. A back of Pepsi in your country is 400 Jamaican dollars. It's $150 in Jamaica. Talking about Jamaica poor and how you guys have Rihanna, this is a billionaire. Jamaica have around 6 billionaires. Hating on Jamaican and don't realize that it was Mr. DJ that boss Rihanna. That song that she did, Hey Mr. DJ. That's dancehall. If it wasn't for dancehall, Rihanna wouldn't be known. Jamaica is known for its beauty, its athletes, its music, its culture, its food. Barbados is known for Rihanna, and she's not even 100% Bajan or Barbadian. I know you guys don't like when people call her Barbadian. She's also half Guyanese. Yeah, you guys are also known for a jawstring bridge in Bridgetown. That little bridge that lift up for the yachts to go underneath. The capital also named after the bridge, Bridgetown. No disrespect to Rihanna because she didn't say anything negative about Jamaica. But at the end of the day, Jamaica have the Marleys. Jamaica have Sean Paul. Jamaica have Cartel. Jamaica have Spice. Jamaica have Shensia. Jamaica have Shirley Ralph. Jamaica have Naomi Campbell. If me fi name out all of the famous people them from Jamaica, it's gonna take me one day. If you comes across a Benz GLE in Barbados or a Porsche, it's possible a government official driving it or one of Rihanna family members. Those type of vehicles are very common in Jamaica. Very common choice of vehicle for young people in their 20 and 30. Another thing that you have a lot of over there is board house. Board house stop where at Jamaica. People no longer build board house. Stroll through any ghetto now in Jamaica and you see a 2-floor concrete house ago. Big nice house. And even though a lot of us don't like Andrew Ones, would never give up Andrew Ones for me and Motley. Me and Motley only good for give speech. Every time me see a video of me and Motley is a speech he give. Andrew Honest know how to thief milk out of coffee and we rate him for that. Good GDP now do it again. It's spending power, and that's something Jamaicans have. Spending power. You see another person mention how Jamaicans need visa to go everywhere and you guys from Barbados don't. You know why? Because you know a easy walk over. So them can control you know easy when you enter them country. Jamaicans are go-getter and very unruly. So we need visa to go everywhere. Because when Jamaican gone away, them go there for creep and bring you back to them country. Jamaican will come to Barbados, come work, drive with you in your Tida every day, go to work and make you brag about your Tida and have a Benz GLE park up down a yard or a Bima. Jamaicans will watch you brag about your 2-bedroom Rihanna country style house we stop where and have a big old 2-floor house park up down here. Another thing, without Jamaicans in the carifta game would be cancer. There would be no fun in it. Jamaica hosts champs. The National Stadium in Jamaica is the biggest stadium in the Caribbean, and it was full.